Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix double tap not working on Instagram. So the first thing that we need to do is to make sure that our Instagram has been updated. So you can check it on your App Store or Play Store and search if it needs to be updated. You can just tap on it so that it will be updated. However, if it's already updated and the problem is still there, then you have to go to your settings. So go to your settings and tap on General, then tap iPhone storage, then look for the Instagram app, and then once you have found it, you tap on it, and then you can tap offload app. So in this way you can free up storage used by the app but keeps its documents and data. By reinstalling, the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. However, if it's still not working, the best thing that we can do is to delete the app from our phone, and you may download it again and hope that will work by that time. So one last possible solution that we can do to solve that issue in our Instagram is to go to Instagram app and then tap on your profile icon that you can see on the bottom right corner of your phone. So let's tap on it. So once we're in there, tap the three horizontal bars on the upper right corner of your phone, tap Settings and Privacy, and then scroll down a bit, tap Help. Now, all you have to do here is to tap Report a Problem. So tap again Report a Problem and include and continue. You can briefly explain what happened. You can explain here that double tap is not working and you may ask help to solve this matter. And once you're done, tap Save, or you can also add some screenshots and upload pictures and wait for Instagram team to contact you. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.